And we're back with another Supreme drop list. This is week 4, dropping March 18th, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can calculate what that will be for you. This is a big drop. There's a lot of stuff dropping. We got a lot of lookbook pieces, and we got a, in my opinion, pretty interesting collaboration. Though, as you'll see with the upvote ratio, not a lot of people are digging it, but there's one piece I'm very interested in, and I think it might not be until the very bottom that we see it. So with that being said, we'll get into it. You got the overdyed beanies, and you know, as always, Supreme community, we're just looking at it ranked by highest upvotes to lowest upvotes. We got the overdyed beanie here. I've never really been a fan of these. I'm not sure if these would be called the loose gauge beanies, but anyway, this kind, I'm more towards the Carhartt style ones. I don't like the ribbing on these, though. I suppose some of them aren't bad. I'm not crazy about how the colorways mash up since the box logo is red on all of them, but I don't know, like the brown one, not really digging, or this like salmon one, yellow one, blue one. These four in the middle are the gray, the red, black, whatever, it doesn't even matter. They're just beanies. These probably dropped before. Moving on, we have the splatter short sleeve top. Has a lot of upvotes, but thing with this, it's a cotton jersey. These will be like $88 or $98. That being said, quality on them very nice. If you guys want a closer look at the splatter, it almost looks like blood or something like that. You get the little, you know, splatter up there. It does look like it's embroidered. Yeah, embroidered, like I was saying. Honestly, you know, it's a pass for me for how little it is. We also have this alphabet soup stuff, which is, you know, kind of crazy. All this is embroidered, which I like. I'm digging the gray colorway as well as the black colorway. I like all the different colors that are thrown on there. I think that's interesting. Would I cop it? No, but at least I can kind of respect it. But those middle three colorways, not feeling at all. We have the reflective zip hooded jacket, and I'd be cool if this was a zip without the kind of, I don't know if they'd call that like the mock neck part, but you know how the jackets go up a little bit. Yeah, I'd rather see it as like a zip hoodie. And yeah, this actually splits too. You can see the reflective taping, it unzips. Yeah, I don't know, I guess it makes sense with the form of the jacket, but you know, to elaborate or expand on my point I just made, I think we've seen this in the hoodie version before. This looks very familiar. Moving forward, we have the split logo pullover. I like this red and white colorway. Other ones, pass for me. Yeah, pretty simple though. I'm not exactly sure what it says, but I don't know. The reflective zip track pant, you know, just the same thing as the top we just saw. Here's an example or a image of the actual unzipped portion. The split doesn't look like there's anything below it. Actually, it looks like there is like a little Supreme branding on the side. You can see here, looks like it says Supreme, so that's kind of cool. I like that. Moving forward, we have the first of the Hysteric Glamour collaboration pieces, and these snake jackets are crazy. I think this is embroidered. You know, this one is, wait, let me see, does it have, yeah, no descriptions. And actually usually on Supreme they'll give a couple different descriptions for the items, but as far as this goes, I was looking because I'm interested in one of the pieces, but I was looking at the descriptions and they didn't have anything explained. They just said, you know, what every piece is, not necessarily material or if it's embroidered. This doesn't, I don't know, maybe it is embroidered. The one we got the close-up of doesn't look embroidered anyway. Maybe it is though. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, the blue one is probably my favorite. I don't know if I can really get down with either of the other ones, but yeah, it's a pass for me. And then you have the pants that match it, which are double knee pants. So you can see the extra panel there. Might be a little bit hard for you guys to see, but basically you have another denim panel attached on top, going from the upper thigh down to your like lower calf. So double knee pants are cool. Once again, I'm only really feeling the blue denim colorway there, and yeah, still not crazy. Moving forward, we have the logo zip up sweater, which is kind of like a cardigan. I don't like this black colorway, but I do like this cream colorway. It's pretty nice, and this reminds me a lot of some other pieces we've seen from previous Hysteric Glamour collaborations. I think they've done this like all over logo, kind of looking like a bodega print. Is that a accurate, is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know, but yeah, it's not bad. I like this cream colorway. It has, you know, words on it that make it kind of hard to wear in certain settings. Moving forward, we also have this overdyed camo camp cap. That's a pass for me. The desert one and the black one are all right. The blue and the pink just look strange. Maybe it's the wash, or maybe it's just, yeah, I don't know, they look kind of tacky. We have the Hysteric Glamour plaid flannel shirt. So we have this flannel. On the front we have, I think these are embroidered, skeletal hands giving the middle finger, and then flipped over on the back and also embroidered, you have this kind of interesting like lowercase Old English font, and then it says Hysteric on the bottom, same font. We have a lady sitting on top of a skull. Kind of hard to tell that's a skull, and then you got the crossbones, but actually, you know, I would like this minus the hands on the front, and then the colorways don't really do it for me. The black and white one's probably my favorite, but still just not really doing it for me. But with this graphic, I get really big Mastermind vibes. If you guys are familiar with Mastermind Japan, they do a lot of like skull and bones like this, very, very similar. So I got some big nods to that in my eyes. Anyway, moving forward, we have the embroidered S sweatshirt, which just matches the ones, you know, the hoodies we saw before. I think I like these less than the hoodie. We also have the denim crusher for the jackets and pants we saw before. It's all right. I could get down with the black and then the denim one, or the blue, the black and the blue colorways, but I don't like the rainbow colorway at all for anything. We also have the crew neck, they're just calling it. Kind of interesting. We have probably the loudest colorway. We have this leopard print, and then it looks like it's some sort of like the face of a doll maybe, and then a smiley face in her hair. Just says Supreme and then Hysteric. I mean, it looks nice. It looks like this is Hysteric Glamour blank, so at least this one is probably going to be a little bit more expensive. I thought in the past they've done some of their collaborations on Supreme produced pieces or manufactured pieces, so they were a little bit on the cheaper side, but like I said, as far as the tag goes on this, it looks like it is Hysteric Glamour, which I think is a little bit more on the pricey side, so if you are going for that, just keep that in mind. We also have the lunchbox set, which I didn't know this is all set, but kind of cool. Looks like all this is included, and looking at it closer, it makes sense. We have a kind of like thermos with the cup attached to it for the lid, and then you have the lunchbox. Although these are kind of cool in idea, I don't think the execution was maybe the greatest. I feel like they could have done a lot better on these. Maybe if they put the all over print that was on the sweater on this, it'd look a little bit cooler. So definitely a pass on those. We're also getting a Hysteric Glamour long sleeve tee, and you know, like I said before, this, you know, has the Supreme tag in it, so it looks like it is manufactured by Supreme. We got a lady eating a banana, says Supreme Hysterics on the front, and then just Hysteric on the side. That C looking very close to the Carhartt C. I don't know if there's anything on the back. Let's see. We got two images. I think these are actually just, yeah, for some reason they uploaded the same image twice. I don't think the graphics necessarily the greatest. I get some kind of like disco vibes off this. As far as the colorways go, some of them are interesting. This green, I'm not minding. The white is all right. Yeah, I don't know. Pass on that piece though. Moving forward, we have the collaboration zip up hooded sweatshirt, and this one, not feeling it. Kind of interesting though. They include a glitter print, so I guess, you know, if you're a sucker for the glitter print, maybe this one will hook you. But as far as the graphics go, I'm just not feeling it. I'm just not feeling it. I'm passing on it. And the colorways, you know, they're not really hitting super hard either. So it's a pass. We got a lot more. So we've got the Compass 6 panel. maybe kind of like some nods to almost like Canada Goose, it looks like, with that logo. We also have the rayon. This says Blurred Girls. Maybe I shouldn't look too close at this one on YouTube. All over print, you know, this is all right. It's kind of cool. I don't know if I'm crazy about the ovals as the all over print. Maybe if they had like some stars for the cutouts, it'd be a little bit cooler. I know they've done a lot of like star shaped stuff with Hysteric Glamour in the past, so maybe that would have been a better route to go instead of the ovals. I just don't know if I'm feeling the ovals. We have the velour track jacket, which, you know, kind of plays back into the like disco hippie vibe that I was talking about earlier, where we have the rainbow stuff, almost looking like some aviator wings on the back. But upon further inspection, is a lady spread eagle, I guess maybe is what they're going for there. I don't like this though. I don't like the rainbow colors on any of those colorways. Big pass for me. Also a big pass on the shorts too. And then that leads us to our final item, which is the most downvoted, and this is actually my favorite item from the drop. Definitely from the collaboration, but yeah, also from the drop. I think these are crazy, man. But if you know me, you know I'm a sucker for the trench coats. I'm really hoping this is a Supreme manufactured trench coat, so the price will be around like lower 300s, and then I'll maybe cop. But I think this is possibly embroidered, you know, judging on the flannels. They have the same logo. It kind of makes sense for it to be embroidered, but we just have that same arc in Old English, and then the skull with the crossbones. And I like both these colorways. I already have a blue trench coat, definitely less quiet than the leopard one, but I'd probably go for this just like normal yellowish colored leopard trench. But man, this is so sexy in my opinion. Like I love these. You guys are probably maybe a little bit surprised, but you know, for the most part, I wear a lot quieter pieces, and I think just having a wild piece like this, like especially a jacket, and tossing it over just a very, very like calm outfit, like maybe all black or something like that, is the way to go. So with that being said, you know, come Thursday, if the price is right, your boy is going to be trying to cop, and hopefully with these downvotes, you know, 600 and only 121 upvotes, hopefully it's not too bad to grab. And like I said, I really hope this is produced by Supreme or manufactured by Supreme, so it will be cheaper. And something I think that they could have also done to make it cooler is for the leopard print, you know, do like the very subtle Supreme spellouts, or maybe like a Hysteric Glamour spellout among the all over print design, instead of just like a straight leopard print. But you know, that's not bad. The jacket's very loud with the pattern already. But yeah, I love this. I think it's beautiful. Like I said, big Mastermind Japan vibes. But yeah, that's beautiful. I love this piece. I don't know why it's getting so much hate, but you know, I'm all for it, since I'm going to try to cop it if the price is right. So that being said, what do you guys think of the drop? Are you guys planning on going for anything? You know, looking at the upvotes, it looks like people are not really feeling the Hysteric Glamour collaboration. But as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.